Hello, this is Nick with Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming here to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 3 John Drive, and this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment in North Grafton. And I just want to start off by showing you what it looks like from the outside. So it's a condo. It's a condo rental unit, and it comes with a good amount of features. And I'm going to kind of go around and try to give you the best idea of the size and the dimensions of the whole place as best as I can. From out here, you see it's a pretty quiet place, very peaceful, lots of trees around here. This is the mailbox service, and then there's a driveway which seems long enough to fit 2 cars, depending on the length of the cars, and then there's an attached garage with 1 parking space. And if you come through the front here, this is the front door. So you got driveway that goes in. This is a little entranceway. So this is the basement level. I'll call the next one the first floor, then the second floor above that. So this would be kind of the basement level. Going through, you'll see that everything in this apartment is very clean. They had a deep clean of pretty much everything in here, including the carpets upstairs. A full steam deep cleaning of all those carpets. Then through here, you take a look at this. So this is kind of like a basement storage area. It's unfinished, but it does have plenty of space. And you got the washer and dryer machines that come with the unit, breaker access, utility panels, and everything down here. Then you come through, you'll see the actual inside of the attached garage. You got a deadbolt lock between the garage and here. It's a pull down light. And you can see the attached garage, 1 space in here, and definitely, big enough for 1 car. It's got the automatic door opener. Then as you come back through, we'll take a look at the upstairs levels. You saw this closet, but there's also this smaller closet underneath. So you got carpet going through the rest of the apartment, like I said, fully deep cleaned. And this is the main level. So this is the living room in here. It's probably the main feature of this apartment is the high ceilings. At parts of it, I'm not sure exactly how high, maybe over 20 feet. Up there you have huge skylights that give a lot of natural light to this space, make it feel very bright, welcoming. And you have the balcony right here. You can see on the ground the vents for the forced air heating. And if you come over to the kitchen, you got the full set of the stainless steel appliances. So you got fridge, stainless steel electric oven, stove, dishwasher, sink nozzle, range hood with the fan and the light. Got a very nice backsplash on the wall right there, and granite style countertops with modern cabinets. And you have some extra light fixtures here. These light fixtures can be angled, and they just look really nice in the apartment, just giving the space a lot of light. Got a storage closet over here. This would be kind of a coat closet on the living room level. Can come take a look at the first floor. So the first and second floor have a really similar layout. I got a linen closet next to the bathroom, just like upstairs as well. And a nice modern bathroom, granite style countertops, modern cabinets. Always like to show the finish of the tub, just to show that this is in really nice finish. There's fresh caulking around the outside of the tub. You got heat in the bathroom itself. And then you can see, big vanity mirror. Just been cleaned, as well as the rest of the apartment when the whole place got to clean. You get the bathroom fan. It helps with the moisture and everything in there. Here you got first floor bedroom. So it's kind of the same size as upstairs. Upstairs might be a little bit bigger. So you might consider that one the master. This is the first floor bedroom. It's got a balcony out here. A deck and a little private area for the backyard. Both these rooms don't have the lights that turn on. They do have the switches, and then the switches go to one of the outlets in the room. So you would use a floor lamp with that one. Then as we continue to go through, we can check out the similar upper level. So you got the upper level over here. You got bedroom, bathroom, full bath. Same thing as the first floor. Same kind of granite style of the countertop. This one isn't so much granite, but it is a nice solid rock countertop. Modern cabinets, great finish, and cleanliness on the actual tub itself. Big vanity mirror with the nice bright lights. Having those 3 lights there actually does make the space pretty bright. And then you come back here, upstairs bedroom. Upstairs bedroom has a view over the downstairs. So you got the loft, kind of loft style second bedroom. And this one has a second floor balcony as well, which feels very private because you don't really see much. It just kind of looks like trees from here, and then you have high shrubs from the first floor below, so that's really nice to see. And it's big, you know, it's probably like, it's big enough that you could walk all the way from one side to another and have that be pretty long length. So it's good to have the balcony there. And the closet is also the same situation as downstairs. You have the closet itself, and then you also have these racks. And if you have any questions, you can go to nexuswor.com. That will show the full list of the vacancies. You can see all the available apartments that we have there. And once again, this was 3 John Drive in North Grafton. This has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.